welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another tech review for you guys, and today is a very special item that I'm reviewing. So let me just start by saying this particular item I have used before, but a different version of it. So today I am reviewing the Nonda Smart Vehicle Health Monitor Mini, and this device is a brand new device because there's an original version, and the original one is actually, well, very large compared to this. This one is actually about a quarter of the size of the original one, which is amazing because who doesn't like to save space when they're using stuff like tech? I've actually used this device for about 2 years now. Haven't actually used it in my current car, but I did have it in my previous car, but I sold the car and it's a long story. But my cousin actually sent me some pictures the other day showing me how he's got this really cool device that monitors the car engine and any faults that may take place. And he sent across the photos, and I looked at this thing and I was like, oh my god, I've got that! But I just never thought to actually tell anyone about it. But the device is actually so good, and it's from a company which I really do like. I've actually got 2 of their devices and another one you'll see later on in the video. But I'll do a separate video about that so you guys can see everything that that one actually does, because it is just that good. It is really good. This company, Nonda ZUS, they do apps, so basically you can use all these devices and monitor the results in your smartphones. You can do it on the iPhone, you can do it on Android phones. I'm not sure about Huawei. I don't think they use either App Store or Android Store at the moment, or the Google Play Store as it's called. I'm not an Android user. Here is the Nonda ZUS Mini. As you can see, it is terrifically small. That is the back of the device. As you can see, all the pins on the back there, and on the front it's got the Nonda ZUS logo just embossed into the front of it. And that's how thin it is. I'll just show you a sideways view. There you go. That's the thinness of it. Extraordinarily thin compared to the last device, which if you look at it from side view was probably about that wide. Compared to my iPhone 11 Pro, that's the size of the device. So you can see that's how big it is. It's tiny. It literally is slightly larger than the port size itself. And I have to say, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I did get the device for free because the mini version of this device is actually brand new by Nonda ZUS, and they are giving them away for free on their website right now as I film this. I'll leave the links all down below. You guys can check it out free of charge. I did, however, pay postage for the device, which to the UK was about £11. So just so you guys know that there is postage involved, but you're not paying a thing for the device. So you're literally saving about £50 to £60 on this. So I hope you guys are ready for this. I'm really excited to go test it for the first time in the car. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and I'm nervous to see the results first of all, but we're going to get going and have a look. If you do manage to pick one up, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to hear what you guys thought of it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what this device does, how to set it up in the app, and I'm going to show you the kind of results that you can get. So let's hope that everything's fine with my car engine, because I'm going to run it on this car for the first time. Okay, so the first thing is that you're going to want to find the OBD2 port on your car. It will be located in different places based on the car's model. So the next thing is you want to get your ZUS Smart Vehicle Health Monitor Mini, or the original, whichever you have, and plug it into the port. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is open up the Nonda ZUS app. If you haven't already used it, you'll need to customize some settings for the car, of course. As you can see, I've already done mine. And right at the top of the screen, so you'll see highlighted that I've got the ZUS Smart Car Charger already installed. And that is basically just so I can monitor the GPS of my car and its location at all times, just from my smartphone. So that's a very good device to have, and I'll probably cover that in another video. If you guys haven't already, subscribe, stay tuned, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video while you're at it. But I'll make a new video about that one separately later on. So the first thing you guys want to do is, once you've plugged in the Vehicle Health Monitor Mini, you'll see it pop up there on the screen. Currently you can still get it for free because it is a brand new product. So if you guys do see this video in time, and do go check out their website, which I'll leave a link down below where you can find the product. And as I said earlier, it's basically completely free. You just got to pay postage and packing to your location. For me, it was roughly about £11 I paid for postage and packing. So on the app, let's go hit the plus icon next to the Vehicle Health Monitor Mini, and it says start the car's engine, leave it running throughout the installation, and the engine is on. That is correct, and I've plugged it in. So yeah, I'm gonna hit pair now, and after you'll see that it says binding successful, connected to the ZUS Vehicle Health Monitor Mini. So now I will have a whole different bunch of options available to me. As you can see, as I rev the engine in the car, it is picking up everything on the app as well. I'm slowly putting my foot down on the gas pedal because I am recording this in the car as I'm doing this. And just as an example, there you can see the rev counter going up. So if we go ahead and tap on safety at the bottom, and here you'll see the last time I scanned with not much on it because it was just with the GPS tracker that I use. But now that the smart device is plugged in, let's go ahead and hit rescan, and let's hope for the best. Okay, so 2 devices it has picked up. Now it is scanning through all the different things that it needs to. Tire pressure, unfortunately it can't do because I don't have the tire pressure sensors. So as you can see, there's a host of devices that you need to have in order to unlock certain features, but for the most part you have everything here. And as you can see at the top of the screen pops up telling me no issues detected, so it means I am happy bunny, and the product does the job. So this is very good to have, and as my cousin and I discussed, we always tend to use this product before we go take the car for a service. So just in case, we do a quick scan, have a look, and then go take the car to the garage or whatever. The only one thing I would say to you guys is, when you are using this product, is do not, and I mean absolutely do not, keep it plugged into the car at all times. So only plug it in when you actually want to use the device, not keeping it plugged in 24/7 if your car's staying idle in the driveway or in the garage or wherever you park it. This device does not need to stay plugged in while you're using, or this device does not need to stay plugged in while you are not using the car. So do bear that in mind. It will drain the car's battery.